Hello, my name is Noah, and I wanted to record a quick video to go through an automated YouTube video generation system that we put together. I've seen over the past year or two, a lot of people talking about YouTube automation, and it isn't authentic YouTube automation. It's the process of building a project management system and delegating YouTube video creation work to people. So we wanted to take this a step further and see if we could create a truly automated YouTube channel and YouTube content production system using some of the artificial intelligence tools available, as well as some workflow automation tools. Now, we have a background in automating processes for businesses and incorporating AI into their operations. So this is right up our alley, and this is pushing the limits. But I think we took it pretty far, and this is theoretically something that you could scale across hundreds, if not thousands, of YouTube channels. The cost per video is less than $1, and the content quality was very good, especially for the time. The technology that we're using is 9 months old at this point, but it's gotten even better since then. So I'll kind of run through how this works. It's technical, but I'll try and simplify it as much as possible. So if I open up one of these videos, you kind of get an understanding of the different pieces that make up one of these videos. I don't know if the audio is going to carry through. I don't think it's going to carry through the recording, but as these slides are being shown, a voiceover is being read. Now, it's being read by a narrator for this one. And as the video progresses, it shows comments, parent comments. And then we're using a formula to determine whether a reply comment has engagement high enough compared to the parent comment to be considered something worth including in the video. We also filter the comments based on length. We exclude comments that have URLs in them because we don't want a text-to-speech voice reading URLs. And we include these comments as different clips that make up this video. Now, how is this all produced? You might be wondering. Surprisingly, we're using a lot of Google's API for this. Now, you're probably familiar with Google Slides. Google Slides allows you to produce beautiful slides like this. And we're using the Google Slides API to automatically populate images and text into a pre-made template. We're performing we're scraping Reddit every day to get posts from the Ask Reddit subreddit. And we're parsing through that data to determine what we would like to populate within each of these templates. So this is an example of a comment reply template. We also have the title template. So this is what the initial slide is produced with. And again, each of these is paired with audio. The audio is matched, or the voice that's used in the audio that's generated is determined by gender, because we'll take the comment or the post and we'll run it through OpenAI's API to determine whether a man or a woman posted it. They say something like, if they include a comment like, while I was pregnant, then obviously it's a woman. And then we find the most appropriate voice that way. The result of this is we have a completely automated YouTube production system that generates videos that are uploaded to YouTube every day. This is all built out in make.com, which, if you're familiar with Zapier, which is another common business process automation tool, Make is like Zapier on steroids. So we can see here some of the applications that we're using. We're using a lot of different scenarios with webhooks to trigger them because they kind of chain together. We're storing all of the information that we're scraping from Reddit in Airtable. And as each of these assets, and those assets being a post, and then a comment, sub-comment, sub-comment, as each of these are scraped, they're populated with audio clips and slides as this is all being produced. Once all of the assets have audio and graphics attached, those are merged together to produce a video for each comment and each post. And then all of those are aggregated together using an API for an app called Transload It, which allows us to produce a video out of all of it. They also allow us to upload the video to YouTube. automatically. Outside of the video itself, we had a thumbnail, and the thumbnail is produced by taking the title of the Ask Reddit post, and we run it through some GPT-3 prompts. At the time, it was GPT-3 to determine what text should be emphasized, because this was the typical format that seemed to work on YouTube in terms of Reddit content. So this was what should have been emphasized according to the AI. So this was highlighted, and then the rest of this is populated into this template. And then we used another prompt to convert the title into a prompt for DALL-E to generate some sort of related image of an anime girl, because anime girls, as you probably know, perform very well on YouTube. So that is how this automated video production system worked. We built this out, and it was really interesting to see what the process of posting videos on a channel like this consistently looked like. Because over time we had, and again, this was just a fun, I think this is in January or February. We're just wondering what we could do. And we ended up producing some diehard fans, like this person, Andy Costanza, commented on nearly every single one of our videos. But this is just one example of the many things that you can do with this new technology. Historically, if you wanted to produce videos at this volume and at this quality, you'd need multiple voice actors. You'd need a video editor to work on all these videos. You'd need an artist to produce these thumbnails. And your cost per video would easily be over $100. But we were able to produce multiple videos per day for less than $1 per video. I think total, we produced 223 videos over the course of, I think, 2 months or so. So it's just an example of some of what you can do with AI and automation. I hope this was an interesting watch. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.